Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good pumpkin banana bread. Very delicious, very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. We're going to put 1 stick of butter in here. It's got to be room temperature. We're going to put 2 to 3 brown sugar, 2 eggs to this, and we're going to mix this really good together before we. Okay. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of honey. And that makes 3 tablespoons right there. Okay. We're going to put a cup of smashed bananas in here. There you go. And then we're going to blend this very well together. I'm going to take that off. And then we're going to add 1 can of pumpkin puree. We're going to put this on. And we're going to. Okay, now we want 2 tablespoons of water and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, we're going to put 1.5 cups of wheat flour with a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to combine this together. Okay, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of pecans, and we're going to mix this together very well. Okay, we're gonna. Okay, and we're just gonna spread this out evenly. We're gonna put this into the oven for about 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until it's done. Look at that delicious looking banana pumpkin bread. Very delicious. This smells wonderful. I'm going to cut this up and I'm going to take a taste on this. Look at that banana pumpkin bread. Banana pumpkin bread. This is delicious. Let's take that. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to me, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.